guys, Clem here from the online flooring store again. This is a product update on our exclusive Eclipse Divine engineered oak timber flooring. This for an oak timber floor is magnificently priced. It's really inexpensive for the product that it is. There's about 20 colours in the range, and this particular colour called Vaspar is what a lot of folks have used if they like the look of Blackbutt but they don't want to spend the money on an Australian species timber. So it also has a herringbone format as well, the Divine Herringbone. Like I said, 20 colours in the range, so there's a massive range of colours in it, and it's really well priced. So if you have any questions on this, it's under our exclusive Eclipse range, Divine and Divine Herringbone. Go to our website at onlineflooringstore.com.au. Our phone number's there, our email's there. You can give us a call, you can send us an email. Happy to chat all the time. And as always, take care.